am Priyani from grade 12B, here to do a practical activity on finding out the focal length of a concave lens. So we cannot actually find out the focal length of a concave lens because it forms virtual image, and the virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen, and hence we are using here a convex lens to find out the focal length of the concave lens indirectly. So here we will be taking the convex lens, and here we will be finding out the concave lens focal length with the help of the convex lens by obtaining an image on the screen. So the image which is formed by the convex lens acts as a virtual object for the concave lens, and in this way we can find out the U dash and also the V dash, and with that by calculating that we have learned through derivations, we can find out the focal length of the convex lens.